In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide, how to use plugins in Figma Buzz. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find plugins inside Figma, how to browse and search for what you need, and how to use them to speed up your design workflow without breaking your stride. First, start by opening your Figma project. Make sure you're in the file where you actually want to apply changes, because plugins work in the context of the file that's open. If you're collaborating, confirm you have edit access so any plugin you launch can interact with the layers you select. It doesn't matter whether you're using the desktop app or the browser, the steps are the same. Next, look at the bottom of the Figma interface for the action icon on the toolbar. This is your quick doorway to everything you can add to your file. Click it to open the resource panel. If you don't immediately see what you're expecting, don't worry. This panel is a hub for assets, libraries, widgets, and plugins, and it may open to the last section you used. Inside that panel, choose Plugins and Widgets. This view focuses on tools that extend Figma. A quick note on the difference. Plugins typically run in a side panel and help you perform actions on selected layers, like renaming, exporting, or transforming shapes, while widgets are interactive elements you place directly on the canvas. Great for collaboration and dashboards. For today, we'll focus on plugins. From here, use the search bar to find exactly what you need. Try broad terms like export, icons, or sounds, or be specific with a task you're tackling. You'll see results with names, brief descriptions, and ratings. Open a result to read its overview, see screenshots, and understand what it does. Check whether it's designed for Figma design files or for FigJam, so you pick the right one for your context. As an example, search for a curve text plugin. This type of plugin lets you take a normal text layer and bend it along a circular path. Select your text, then run the plugin. Most curved text tools will offer controls for radius, arc direction, spacing, and alignment. Adjust the radius to set how tight or wide the curve is, tweak spacing for readability, and preview your changes before applying. If the plugin provides non-destructive options, keep your text editable so you can update wording later without redoing the curve. A few final tips. Always read the description to see permissions and supported features. Test on a duplicate layer when you're trying something new, and save your file before running complex operations so you can quickly revert if needed. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.